Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick video which highlights why Roscon has been the leading provider of emergency response solutions since 1987. Building owners, managers and occupants are required to ensure that their building is compliant with fire safety and emergency planning regulations and standards, and to provide a high quality of life and fire safety for the building occupants, customers and any visitors. Roscon's comprehensive fire safety and emergency response solutions are designed to ensure that your building's emergency response management is fully compliant with Australian standards AS 3745-2010 and AS 1851-2012. We offer a broad range of skills training packages including emergency control organisation and warden training, covering threats such as fire emergencies, civil disturbances, personal and bomb threats. Roscon ensures your occupants are prepared to respond efficiently to any incident, including when to stay in place or when to evacuate the facility or development. The training provided is compliant with industry regulations and standards to provide you with the peace of mind. We work closely with the Owner's Corporation Manager and Committee to develop and implement a complete and effective site-specific emergency evacuation management plan and emergency response procedures which are customised to meet the requirements of your building structure, business, operations and/or tenancy occupancy. The emergency evacuation management plan must include individualised personal emergency evacuation plans which are designed for building occupants with disabilities who may need some assistance during an emergency. Roscon are able to customise your evacuation diagrams to include your corporate logo and colours and to reflect your company branding. The diagrams are produced in laminated A3 format to meet legislative requirements. Roscon also assists with your evacuation exercises. The purpose of the evacuation exercise is to test the effectiveness of the written emergency evacuation management plan. A briefing prior to the evacuation exercise is undertaken with the evacuation management plan to state the objectives and expected outcomes of the evacuation exercise. The briefing will describe the scenario and procedures of the exercise. Subsequently, we provide the Owner's Corporation with a comprehensive evacuation exercise report, recording of the sequence of events, observations made and identify any deficiencies during the exercise and provide any recommendations for improvement. Roscon also conducts portable fire extinguisher training, which is a combination of both theory and practical training, educating participants about the relevance of safety regulations and providing the opportunity to develop operational techniques when using fire equipment. After completing the sessions, occupants will have a basic understanding in the theory of fire, classes of fire, fuel types and fire extinguishing types and techniques, and the use of fire extinguishers, fire blankets and fire hose reels. We use gas fire simulators which give participants the opportunity to experience real-life situations and ensure, should they need to, they can safely and confidently extinguish a small fire that may arise. With Roscon, you know your building is compliant, maximising life and fire safety for your occupants, and we look forward to working with you.